solve sine of x times cosine of x is equal to radical 2 over 4. All right, so first thing you probably notice here is, well, wait, okay, rad 2 over 4, that's not on the unit circle. And here I have a sine of x times a cosine of x. Okay, well, this is not equal to 0, right? I mean, we can bring this term over to the left side here. Right? We can get something like sine of x times cosine of x. We can subtract this guy over to get minus rad 2 over 4 equals 0. But this is really not going to get us anywhere, right? We can't like divide out a sine or divide out the cosine from both sides, okay? But we do know that, well, okay, I know that 2 sine of x, cosine of x, right? I know that this is equal to the sine of 2x. This is a double angle formula. So, okay, wait a minute. Let's try multiplying both sides by 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, right, notice I'm going to get, well, here, if I multiply by 2, I'm going to get 2 sine of x, cosine of x. And if I multiply this by 2, I'm just going to get radical 2 over 2. And that looks a lot better, right? Because rad 2 over 2, yeah, I know that that is on the unit circle. But then the next step would be, hey, wait a minute, yeah, this is a double angle formula for sine, right? The sine of 2x is equal to rad 2 over 2. And we should be able to solve this now. Now, of course, because of this coefficient of the 2 here, right, that's going to change our answer. So what do we mean by that? Well, I know where sine of theta is equal to rad 2 over 2. Wait, notice I didn't put the 2 here, right? I know where sine of theta is equal to rad 2 over 2. Okay, that's going to be at pi over 4 and at 3 pi over 4. Right? But wait a minute. I'm not solving where the sine of theta is equal to rad 2 over 2. I'm finding where the sine of 2x is equal to rad 2 over 2. Okay, so in this case, we just set 2x equal to pi over 4 plus 2k pi. And then 2x is equal to 3 pi over 4 plus 2k pi. And the reason why we do this is because we're going to eventually have to divide out this 2. Right? Remember, eventually, whatever angle we put in here, it's going to be multiplied by 2. And the sine of that has to equal radical 2 over 2. Okay? So what we're doing is this 2 changes the period of the function. So the original period is 2 pi, but you notice we have to divide this 2 out, right? That's sort of what we're doing here. So I get, okay, x is equal to pi over 8 plus k pi now. Okay, because the period has changed, and then x is equal to 3 pi over 8 plus k pi, right? Because once again, we're going to divide each of these by 2 as well. So there we go. These are our final answers, right? We get x over 8, pi over 8, I'm sorry. X equals, right? X equals pi over 8 plus k pi, and then x is also equal to 3 pi over 8 plus k pi.